It sounds like you guys really did your homework before deciding to go with the Fuzion.
That's for sure. I even took a plant tour. And it was really a great way to see what goes into building one of these things. I'll tell you one thing for sure, is they only use the finest materials and craftsmanship when building the Fuzion. One of the most important aspects of the Fuzion's structural integrity is the chassis and frame. It consists of either 10 or 12-inch steel I-beams, depending on capacity requirements. And they add numerous cross beams for superior rigidity. Outriggers are added to the frame to ensure that every part of the floor is fully supported. In the cargo area, extra cross members and I-beams are added to ensure it can take just about anything you care to haul down the road. Fuzions have 2 or 3 axles with a 7,000 pound per axle rating, along with electric brakes and E-rated radial tires on 16-inch rims that are bolted on with 8 lugs. This combination of axles and wheels will allow you to go anywhere your lifestyle takes you. The entire underbelly is enclosed with a single sheet of fluted polypropylene to seal out the elements, improve towability, and protect the components. Then the entire frame is powder coated for protection from the elements. The floor in the living space is framed with 2x3 aluminum joists and then covered with 5/8-inch flooring that is completely seamless. The entire floor is then Darco wrapped to create a breathable water barrier with an R31 insulation value. In order to create the best garage floor in the industry, they use the toughest heavy rubber floor you can get, then directly bond it to the 1-inch thick flooring and set that on the frame. The walls on the Fuzion are made to withstand years of use. The outer wall covering is a gel-coated Phylon fiberglass material that is bonded to 2 layers of 8-inch Luan, and the seams are staggered for greater strength. The frame itself is made out of 2-inch welded aluminum studs. Corner blocks are added to window openings to fully support the radius cornered windows. Then solid block EPS insulation is added, giving the wall an R9 insulation value. Metal backing strips are also used to ensure that the interior appliances can be securely fastened to the wall. The roof trusses are 4.5-inch pre-engineered and work like the trusses in your home and insulated in the same fashion. The roof trusses are set 16 inches apart and then covered with a very stout 3/8-inch roof decking. All the attics are ventilated to prevent moisture. Then the entire roof is covered with an industrial adhesive to ensure that the one-piece seamless rubber roof membrane is totally secured to the decking. All the roofs are crowned so that the water runs off. The Fuzion's roof construction is extremely tough and very strong.
And that's why you can walk on any part of it.